Hi and welcome for MSPO 2024, the International Defense Industry Exhibitions, which takes place in Kielce, Poland. Army Recognition is the official online show daily news and web TV for this event. Follow us to discover the latest news and the latest videos about MSPO. MSPO becomes now the first international defense exhibition in Europe with more than 700 exhibitors from Poland and from all over the world. This year, the guest countries is Ukraine, and we will see the latest innovation and technology presented by the international Ukrainian defense companies. For the first daily video of MSPO 2024, we will focus to the national and Polish defense industry, and we are now to the booth of PGZ, the group who represent different companies who produce defense products, including ammunition, combat vehicles, missile, rocket launcher, and more. One of the highlights of the show is the new Borsuk Rak 120mm mortar system. The vehicle is based on the new Borsuk. The Borsuk is a new infantry fighting vehicle fully developed and designed by the Polish defense industry. But in this case, the vehicle is fitted with a mortar system armed with 120mm mortar system. The turret is also equipped with a remotely operated weapon system armed with a 7.62mm machine gun. Another new product presented at MSPO 2024 is the new Heron 6x6 armored vehicles, especially designed to be used as command post and staff vehicle for artillery units, such as HIMARS. Omarka is the new generation of rocket launcher for Polish army, and also the WR-40, another rocket launcher. On the booth of PGZ, you can see for the first time a new anti-aircraft mobile system mounted on an 8x8 military truck chassis and with a turret mounted at the rear of the vehicles. The name of the vehicle is SA-35. It's a new artillery system especially designed to counter UAV threats. Recently, the Polish army has decided to acquire several types of 4x4 light tactical vehicles produced by the South Korean defense industry. In this case, you can see the KLTV for light tactical vehicles, which is called in Poland under the name of Legwan. This is a light tactical vehicle based on a 4x4 chassis, equipped with a ballistic armor level 1 Stanak 4569. The vehicle is powered by a 225 HP diesel engine and can reach a maximum speed of 100 km per hour. The vehicle can carry a total of 4 military personnel, and the top of the vehicle is mounted with a manual turret system armed with a 12.7mm EV machine gun. The 12.7mm EV machine gun can be also replaced by a 7.62mm machine gun or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. For self-protection, the roof of the vehicle is also equipped with 2 blocks of smoke grenade dischargers. The Polish defense industry has also developed different types of remote-controlled weapon stations, including the ZSMU A3. It's a remotely operated weapon station equipped with a 7.62mm machine gun. There is also another one, the ZSMU A5. It's also a remotely operated weapon station, but equipped with 2 machine guns. One 12.7mm EV machine gun in the center of the turret, and on the right side you can see also a 7.62mm machine gun. You can see it's also a new unmanned aerial vehicle system equipped with a Gatling gun system. The turret is equipped with multi-barrel machine gun armed with a WLKM 12.7mm machine gun. The turret is also equipped with different type of optoelectronic system, able to detect UAV at a maximum distance of 3.5 kilometers. The Polish defense industry continues to develop the old Soviet-made ZPU 23mm cannon. In this case, you can see an upgrade. You maintain the original ZPU 23mm EV cannon. The top of the weapon system is also equipped with MANPADS to increase the capability of the system to engage aerial targets at medium range. The company Mesko, who is a part of PGZ, the National Defense Industry Association, has developed different types of MANPADS, man-portable air defense systems. You can see the evolutions of the Grom MANPADS, also called Piorun in Poland. The first one is the Grom MANPADS, with the evolution of the Piorun Grom M, and also the new one is the new generation of the Piorun, who is unveiled for the first time at MSPO 2024. The product at MSPO 2024 under the pavilion of PGZ is the WARAN. It's a 4x4 multi-role armored vehicles. The vehicle can accommodate a total of 8 military personnel, including driver and commander at the front of the vehicle, and 6 infantrymen. The vehicle is armed with a remotely operated weapon station armed with a 7.62mm machine gun. You can see now the Borsuk. The Borsuk is the new generation of infantry fighting vehicles. It's a fully amphibious combat vehicles. The vehicle was developed and designed to replace the old BMP family in service with the Polish Army. The vehicle is armed with a 30mm automatic cannon, and on the right side you can see also anti-tank missile launcher. As every year at MSPO there is a large presence of the Polish armed forces. We are now to the pavilion dedicated for the Polish Army, and different units of the Polish Army present the latest equipment which are now in service with the Polish armed forces. You can see also now one of new vehicles is the Viper. It's a new generation of light tactical vehicle, especially designed and dedicated for airborne troops. A very interesting new product is also the Bayraktar, is the famous Turkish UAV, who is also in service in Ukraine to fight Russian forces. In the outside area of MSPO 2024, there is a large presence of the Polish armed forces, which present the latest vehicles and combat vehicles which are now in service with the Polish armed forces. We can see now the new reconnaissance 4x4 armored vehicles, which is recently delivered to reconnaissance unit of the Polish Army. The name of the vehicle is the Lotr. It's a 4x4 armored vehicles, and in this case the vehicle is equipped with a remotely operated weapon system, armed with a 12.7mm heavy machine gun, and on the left side you can see also a 7.62mm machine gun. FPV drone was seen for the first time following the war in Ukraine. This type of drone can be armed with different type of ammunition, including mortar system, missile, and other type of ammunition. It is used to target enemy position or maybe sometimes infantry units. At MSPO, the American company Heron Environment present a new generation of the Switchblade 300 Block 20. It's an evolution of the Switchblade 300. Switchblade, it's a loitering munition, also called kamikaze drones or also suicide drone. Another very interesting product presented for the first time at MSPO 2024, it's the Leopard 2A4, but an upgrade version produced and designed by the German company Rheinmetall. In this case, you can see a Leopard 2A4 chassis fitted with remotely operated turrets from the KF-51 Lynx, the new generation of main battle tank. It's a very interesting mix of old generation of tracker chassis with a new turret weapon station, offering a new modernized version of main battle tank. There is also a large presence of the South Korean defense industry due to the latest delivery of K2 main battle tank to the Polish Army. But in this case, you can see the latest version of the K2, the K2X. This is an upgrade version, a modernized version of the K2. The tank keeps the main armament of the original version, consisting of a 120mm cannon, but there is some new features. In this case, the K2X is equipped with an active protection system, which provides protection against anti-tank guided missile. There is also a new remotely operated weapon station mounted on the roof of the turret, armored with a 7.62mm machine gun. In terms of protection, the tank is also equipped with new armor to increase protection against anti-tank guided missile, latest generation of anti-tank guided missile, and also mines threats. MSPO is also an opportunity for many international defense companies to present latest technology and innovation of defense industry. There is a large presence of different countries, including Estonia, Turkey, United States, South Korea, and more.